my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and a lot of people reach out to me and they ask me, Daniel, can you look at my business plan? I wrote this long paper, and I want you to look at my business plan because I believe that this is going to help me secure the next investment. This will help me get a bank loan. This will help me prove to my college professor that I can actually start a business. And my friends, those are the only reasons why you actually need a business plan. And I am telling you this as a very successful businessman that you don't need a business plan in most businesses. Why? Because business plans are too specific. They're too detailed, and they make you think of things that actually don't matter. What you really need is a sales and marketing plan. What you really need is an overarching goal that can help you figure out exactly what you need to do within a certain time frame. So for instance, let's say your goal is to make $1 million within a year, then you have to set that goal for yourself and figure out 3 things that you need to do in order to get there. And these 3 things could be anything that you want to accomplish, but make sure you focus on the results that you want to accomplish. These results must be based on your skills, on your talents, and your abilities. So for instance, let's say you're a graphic designer who happens to know a lot about branding and who also has a special touch on the camera. Let's say that these 3 areas are branding, photography, and videography. At first, you're gonna have to start off almost like a freelancer, and you're gonna have to work by yourself unless you have a business partner that can help you produce results. And you have to decide what your sales and marketing plan actually is. So for instance, if you want to make $1 million, that means that you're going to have to find all these clients who are willing to pay you for those services. So let's say for instance one of your offerings are websites. You have to find a way to sell that service in a way that's most valuable to the customers who are willing to pay you. Then let's say for instance that you want to sell your photography services. You know that this may not be as profitable as your websites, but it will help you pay the bills. And so you implement that into your business. And then you have videography, which is also one of your passions, but you know that may take a lot of time and can also help you fuel your business of graphic designs. All of a sudden you become a business person who's very successful because now you have this 3-headed machine. You have this thing that can help you fuel your ambition and help you put money in your pocket as you aim for that $1 million within the next 5 years. But more importantly, I don't want you to ever aim for just money alone. I want you to aim for impact. Because some people aim for money and they end up failing because they say to themselves, well, I don't need to take this project because it's not paying me what I'm worth. Or I don't need to deal with this person because they're not taking me to where I need to be. Or I don't need to go this place because it's not that tropical island that I've been dreaming about. So what you have to do is understand that your business goals have to be about business and you have to enjoy your projects along the way. If you set only a money goal and only go after money, then you'll end up accepting clients and projects that you may not like. So let's say for instance that you're a real estate agent and in order to make $1 million within the next 5 years, you gotta sell at least 1 house a week and you have to build your team. Now, if you have the wrong intentions about pursuing this goal, you might actually deal with people that you don't like. You might actually make a lot of mistakes that you could avoid. You might actually pursue the wrong goals because you're only aiming for money, which is never really the overarching goal you should aim for. What you should be aiming for are the number of houses that you need to sell within those 5 years. Another goal that you should set for yourself is how many people you're actually talking to. So if you want to sell all those houses, then you probably should talk to at least 5 people a day. 5 people times 30 working days means that you're talking to 150 people. Whether it's on the phone, whether it's in person, or even if it's on text or email. You have to get connected with those people if you want to show them the house, if you want them to buy. So let's say you set these 3 goals that's going to help you be the most successful real estate agent you can ever be. Now you have to set sub-goals that will help you get there. Now what do I mean? Now sub-goals are typically more goals that you can set for yourself that are important, but not the most important goals. But these goals are important enough to help you reach those most important goals. So one sub-goal might be read 50 books. Now reading 50 books means you gotta read 1 book a week. Now this goal itself may not make you money, but it will give you ideas and wisdom and creativity to help you make money. Let's say another sub-goal is giving speeches because you know that public speaking is a great way to develop yourself personally. But not only that, you want to also understand that you can actually meet people, shake hands, and pass out your business cards. So you set a goal to give 25 speeches, which means roughly 2 speeches a month. Now that you have these sub-goals, it will help you to get to those 3 major goals that you want, that will help you to get to that overarching goal that you want to accomplish in 5 years, or that next $1 million that you want to make. See, my friends, this is how you actually set goals for yourself. This is how you actually create a plan of achievement for your business. So what I'm saying is that you don't have to type up all these papers. You don't have to write a 12-page document in order to solidify a loan. You don't have to prove to all these people that you have your business figured out with all this paperwork. You have to understand that what it takes to make a business is that one simple goal, broken down into multiple goals that will help you reach that overarching result that you want to accomplish. That is how you create a business plan, and that is what you need to do if you want to be successful as an entrepreneur. There you go, my friends. That is how you create a very successful business plan. And if you want to learn more about this, please join the School of Wealth, which is actually in a link in the description below. And also reach out to me if you personally want me to coach you on devising the perfect business plan for you. My friends, it's been a pleasure sharing this video with you, so please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and leave a comment in the section below. I look forward to seeing you on the next video, and I look forward to watching your businesses grow.